Hey guys, so here I'm going to show you how to install this. All right, it's a lot easier than you think. First of all, you're going to have this area where you have 4 bolts. You can just choose whichever one works the best. So go underneath and see what's underneath, and then you can do a little pilot hole like a 3/16 just to see if you're in the right spot instead of cutting it all up. Same in the back. And then the electric, I'll also show you how the electric works. This is where the power is going to come from. This is the motor, and it's 12 volt, and it needs to be wired, so the wire is running behind the truck mount over into the battery. It's a DC motor, so if you want it to go in one direction, you can connect it one way, and if you want it the other direction, then you connect it the opposite way. So this is what it looks like underneath. See the bolts coming out, and we have it secured by a plate. So just this making it a little bit more heavier duty. And then it's all 4 bolts is what pretty much all you need. And then you can see there's one underneath here too. It's kind of hard to get to that one.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.